everyone, we already have the sign for the contract and soon we're gonna start the job. So Yutet Arik will be here to set up everything here. And of course, thank you for Mrs.Amara that has been trusting the job for us.
Yes.
It's been an honor for us, and we will do everything on the schedule and we supervise everything.
Thank you.
I'll be satisfied.
Okay.
Okay everyone, after all the progress complete, right now we are going to finalize all the work here with Miss Amara. Thank you for the trust for us, for that giving the job to be complete now. And now we are gonna discuss about the final, all the invoice, everything for the work. Okay. So we already discussed, and this is the final receipt to give to Miss Amara. That's been we have finished the project, and
Thank you.
And now we're going to have the Miss Amara to get a comment or testimonial about how our service here from Gauri Art Division team as the designer and conceptor to help provide all the design work to do the renovation, and from the KoriDewataKarya as YouTube Ari here as the leader for the worker. And yeah, we're gonna would like to have a testimonial from you.
Thank you. Sure. So, I know this was not an easy job because it was a lot of fixing many small things and a few big things around the property, which can be frustrating. But first I want to say that the team had the best attitude the whole time. Really a pleasure to work with the team, and I have never seen such great attitude about a job in this way. So really top quality there. All of the fixing was done really well, and on a few occasions where something wasn't right, you understood that straight away and then repaired it very quickly, or made the adjustment very quickly. So I was really happy about that. So I'm very pleased with the job, and everything has been with just a small thing. Everything is completed. We're waiting on
One by one, yeah.
one little thing, and then I'm actually going to continue another phase and do a few more things beyond the original project. And I've invited the team to come on to me to work with me in a much bigger project, having tested you in the small project.
Yeah,
and
this
so
is
I
a
really,
test.
yeah, this was a test. So I'm really excited about the next project that we will also be working on together.
Yeah, it's an honor for us to get this job, and you're very patient and easy to work with. Like communication is the key for all the job for sure.
Yeah.
Even it's like a small part, we have to do it in the serious way. To how we check, how we going to make the best decision together. And this has been good teamwork, I think, for the future. Next, if you have any project, please don't mind to tell everything that you need. Everything you need to be provided, we will set up our team to give our best to our client.
Yeah, and the design was really good, coming to solutions for the custom work. So thank you so much.
Yes, you're
We
welcome.
appreciate it.
Mantap. Okay, I think that's it, Mrs.Amara.
Yeah.
Let's see for the next project from Mrs.Amara.
Thank you.